Well, greetings, YouTubers and tubettes. This is Luke Nakahara, and I'm back with no hair. Shaved my hair, or actually shaved my head, and have a friend, Jane, and she has lost her hair. She's going through breast cancer, and I'm not too concerned because with God, all things are possible. Right? So anyway, we're going to do a few things different on this channel because unfortunately I've been too busy to do something with Type R, also known as the Prototype L. I actually did some pretty cool things with the Type L/R, but what we're going to do is we're going to change things up. The world is kind of going cray-cray, and what I want to do is really fully deploy Luke's World 2. And I'm gonna zoom in here. We're gonna do an unboxing. I've got some new passions. Or I've developed some interesting interests. So this is from Olite. They make really cool flashlights. And this is Microtech copper automatic knife, perfectly legal in my state of Texas. So this came from China, and the one knock that Olite gets is they are made in China. And I have some ideas. Okay. Very high quality flashlights. This is actually a light that was a gift for buying stuff from them anyway. We're going to be doing some product evaluations. And let's see what Olite sent us to evaluate. Okay. And the freebie. These little bitty lights. For crossbow light. Oh, check this out. What is this? This is the M2R, like Type R. It throws 300 meters, and it is a bright puppy at 1,800 lumens, and there's a cool, it's a limited edition light. And we have serial numbers. Oh, look at this. They sent me a book. Let's see. I don't know, just packing material. Wow, check this out. This is an Olite Seeker 2. 220 meters, 3,000 lumens. That's one hot tamale. Let's see, what is this? It is the I-5T EOS. It's the same as this little guy, except this is like in gunmetal, right? And this is a limited edition. It's a simple but special limited edition. 5-year warranty. We have 2 settings. 300 lumens is the high. It runs 2 hours and 30 minutes. And what I really like about this light is the moonlight feature. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, this is very interesting. Another limited edition. This is the Olite PL Pro Valkyrie, and you can use this on your crossbow or anything that has a trigger. It is 1,500 lumens, and the throw is 280 meters. Pretty cool. What else do we have? Oh, one more thing. Olite, Olite, Olite. Now this is a beast. This is the Olite Seeker 2. 250 yards throw, and it is a whopping 3,200 lumens. 3200. That's crazy. And what we're going to do is we're going to probably just do separate unboxings of these puppies, but we got quite a few things to evaluate. So, the little nifty tool, multi-tool. So, we're going to circle up and do product evaluations on this. These are the two IR2 EOS. They're just a smaller version, and they're two flavors, black and coyote. The mini tool. Oops, upside down. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. I plan on doing more videos on different things. So I'm in my garage. I've got 4 single car garages, and this one's going to turn out pretty cool. The Type R is not, well, it's parked in here, but you've never seen this garage before. It's actually going to be really cool when I finish with it. So as you can see, my hair is growing back. I had it cut off I think it was 2 Thursdays ago, and today is Monday, July the 27th, 10:25 p.m. So I don't have the ability to edit videos, so this may be in chunks. So I'm gonna keep it brief. Peace out.